Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser keeps crashing, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix Vivaldi crashing issues and get everything stable again. First, close Vivaldi completely. Make sure it's not running in the background by checking Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac, then end any active Vivaldi processes. Next, restart your computer. This clears temporary glitches and helps reset system resources that might be causing the crash. Now open Vivaldi again and check if it still crashes. If it does, try disabling extensions one by one, because a faulty extension is often the main cause of browser crashes. After that, go to Vivaldi settings and clear your browsing data like cache and cookies. This can fix corrupted files that may be affecting performance. So, if the issue continues, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Go to the About section and install any available updates. Next, check your system drivers and make sure your graphics driver is updated, especially if the crash happens during video playback or heavy browsing. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Vivaldi completely. Uninstall it, download the latest version from the official website, and install it fresh. And that's it. Yeah, these steps fix most Vivaldi crashing issues and help your browser run smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.